Come test drive the 2019 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.